Welcome back to the channel. Another interesting episode from this channel. Please subscribe and click the bell icon for more videos. First, today we are going to discuss about how to buy Canva Pro free 1 month time period. First, you have to install Canva app for your mobile version or desktop version. You have to log this Canva app using your Google account or email account. First, you have to select what we are going to do about your Canva app. This was designed or video editing using Canva Pro app. First, you have to select the Pro version only template for your design. Then you can clearly see in this screen my desktop PC version Canva Pro app. Canva Pro features you can clearly buy for 1 month time period using your credit card details, and you can use this 1 month free trial time period before completing this 1 month time period before the 3 or 2 days before you can unsubscribe the Pro plan without paying anything. First, you have to select the paid version. In this screen, I will select debit card or credit card. Then add my details. You can add your details and submit. You can start 1 month time period Pro version. When the Pro version 1 month time period completed, Canva Pro app using charge your credit card or debit card. Because of this reason, you can unsubscribe subscription plan before the 2 or 3 days before the 1 month time period end. This is the secure method for Canva Pro features using your 1 month trial. If you are interested in Canva Pro features, please comment your idea in this video. If you have any questions for the discussion, you can comment your idea in comment section. If this video helpful, you can just hit like button and press subscribe and bell icon for further videos. See you again another interesting episode.